Welcome to our guide on how to meditate effectively. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of peace and inner calm is essential for our well-being. Meditation is a powerful practice that can help you achieve just that. Step 1. Find your sacred space. Choose a quiet and comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your room or a peaceful outdoor setting. Create an ambiance that soothes your senses, perhaps with candles or gentle natural sounds. The goal is to create an ambiance that nurtures relaxation and inner peace. Consider adding elements that soothe your senses, such as soft lighting from candles or dimmed lamps. You may also want to incorporate gentle natural sounds, like the rustling of leaves or the sound of running water from a small indoor fountain. Step 2. Choose your posture. There's no right or wrong way to sit during meditation. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or in a chair with your feet grounded. Keep your back straight but relaxed, allowing the energy to flow freely. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to meditation postures. The key is to find a position that is comfortable and allows you to remain alert and focused. However, if sitting on the floor or in a chair isn't an option due to physical limitations, don't worry. You can also meditate lying down on your back, ensuring that you're fully supported and comfortable. The key is to find a position that allows you to be present and focused without experiencing any discomfort. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Breathe naturally and gently bring your attention to each breath. Feel the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath without judgment. Your breath serves as an anchor, guiding you to the present moment and helping you stay centered during the practice. There's no need to alter your breathing as a beginner. Simply observe it as it is. Close your eyes or soften your gaze, and begin to direct your awareness to the sensations of your breath entering and leaving your body. Step 4. Embrace the present moment. Let go of worries about the past or future. Be fully present in the now. Notice any thoughts or emotions that arise, but don't get entangled in them. Just observe and let them pass. Once you've settled into the rhythm of your breath, gently redirect your attention to the present moment. Be aware of any thoughts, emotions, or physical sensations that may arise. Instead of getting entangled in them, approach them with a sense of non-judgmental observation. You might notice the mind wandering to past events or anticipating future scenarios. When this happens, remind yourself that the present moment is where your power resides. Allow the past to remain in the past, and let go of any fixation on the future. Your true potential for growth and transformation lies in the now. Step 5. Practice consistency. Meditation is a skill that develops over time. Start with a few minutes daily and gradually increase the duration. The key is consistency. The more you practice, the deeper your connection with inner peace. Consistency is the key to unlocking the full potential of meditation. Regularly returning to your practice nurtures a deeper connection with yourself and cultivates a sense of inner peace that becomes more accessible throughout your day-to-day life. Like tending to a garden, the more you water and nurture it, the more the plants grow and flourish. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps towards effective meditation. Remember, it's a journey of self-discovery and inner growth. With regular practice, you'll experience increased clarity, reduced stress, and a profound sense of well-being. Happy meditating! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mindfulness content. May you find serenity on your meditation journey? Until next time.